Why Medstrom? Feedback from our customers helps explain why. They tell us that we are professional and friendly, upfront and approachable. We build trust because we deliver. We do what we say, and we usually say yes. Our company is about our people. Our clinical advisors and service teams understand your contract needs and adapt ideas to provide solutions to local needs. Our flexibility, honesty and dedication to do the right thing means we work hand in hand with our new customers to make contract transition seamless. We constantly look for improvements for our customers and provide management reporting and data analytics to hold ourselves accountable for the service you engage us for. We have built a service culture that supports all staff who use our products, and we care passionately about attaining the best possible outcomes for patients. Uncertainty surrounding Brexit prompted our commitment to start manufacturing in the UK in 2020, sourcing many components locally. Our manufacturing model allows us to control supply chain, quality, cost, and highly responsive delivery times. Our customers say we are easy to work with, transparent, positive, flexible, trustworthy, valuable. See how our dedication and passion for what we do can complement yours.